Hey everybody, it's been a while. Happy last day of November. Can you believe it? I can't believe November is over. Hope you all had an amazing Thanksgiving full of gratitude and peace and love, lots of hugs and connection. We sure needed that this year, this Thanksgiving, didn't we? So, those of you who don't know me, Tina Hong, I'm an executive health and mindset coach. And I truly believe that you can't turn your health around completely without the wisdom and belief that it's possible. If you share that belief, give me a hands up, thumbs up, a heart, and let me know that you believe that. When we are living with belief that it's not possible to lose 20, 40, 50 pounds or to turn a chronic condition around, if we have an inner wisdom and belief that it's not possible, it's not going to happen. Beliefs can actually motivate us or it can stop us in our tracks. And what I've learned, and that's potent medicine, really, is when we are on starting a journey to actually turn our health around, make a commitment to ourselves, to really in our midlives to make health a priority, make de-stressing and decompressing and having a healthier work-life balance to be a priority. Our inner beliefs can actually motivate us or actually get in the way. And, if you're here with me, give me a hello in the comments. Let me know you're joining me. I am live casting to my personal Facebook page and Make Life Delicious, my group page. And hopefully, if you haven't joined my group page, you can join there for free trainings and chats. I haven't been on in a while. This month of November has been a bit crazy. Um, but I would love to see you in the Make Life Delicious page. Um, and Facebook user says, "Hi, Tina. Tell me who you are because it just says Facebook user." Anyway, um, so I really love this idea of connecting with intuition because when we connect with intuition, we can actually change our habits permanently. And as a health coach over the last over a decade, working with midlifers to lose up to 100 pounds of body fat, what I've learned is that it really comes down to changing our habits. And our habits are connected to our lifestyle, connected to um, not just what we eat and what we don't eat, but those are more important, actually, more potent medicine to actually turn our health around than anything else. And so, connecting with our intuition gives us a way to ease into doing things without feeling like it's deprivation or dieting or changing the way we live our lives drastically. So when we practice intuition and mindfulness, and I've offered those, and I'm so sorry that I couldn't come out over Thanksgiving with my annual Thanksgiving challenge, which I typically do, eating as a meditation challenge. And I'm going to do that again soon. And as we kick off December, I have some trainings that are coming up. I would love for you to join me and connect with me on. And one of the trainings is about connecting intuition with our habit changes. Did you know that your emotional patterns contain the pathways to changing, self-defeating habits permanently? And when you tune into these foundational pathways to transform habits, um, our inner wisdom to accelerate motivation, to have personal freedom, and to promote physical and emotional healing is so much more possible. So I just wanted to hop on here real quick to test my Wi-Fi here, and also to invite you to this valuable training that I have coming up. This workshop, it's absolutely 100% free, and I would love to see you, my friends, on Facebook and in the Make Life Delicious group on Friday, next Friday, December 9th, in the middle of the day, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to 1:30 p.m. And we're going to practice and learn about the four pathways to connecting intuition to self-defeating habits. So we're going to start turning that around. And this whole series, I'm calling it the Inner Game Wisdom series, is going to happen throughout the month of December and January as we kick off the new year. So I'm super excited because this is what I've been working on. This is what I'm writing about in my book. Um, and my upcoming book, which the title is changing. But essentially, I do have a book coming out in 2023. And it's really the foundational principles to my health coaching practice, and we'll give you the tools and the guides to do that on your own. So I look forward to seeing you. And if you haven't accepted StreamYard in some of the group pages, please do so. Go to StreamYard and accept StreamYard content so I can see who is joining me live. And I'm so glad this transmission is going through. Super happy about that. So I love you guys. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you for taking the time during Thanksgiving to give thanks and to really appreciate the connections that you have, your loved ones, your health, everything that we do have. And so we can only appreciate more and live in abundance when we can appreciate the small things that we have just around us, that we have available to us. So I'm so grateful for each and every one of my friends out there. And it's so good to connect with some of you and just to reach out. I know it's been a tough last few years. We've had a lot of illnesses, we have had a lot of losses, whether it be human or animal or whatever. Just a loss of connection and relations. And, um, I want you to join me on reconnecting and basically making a commitment in 2023 to really make our relationships solid, make our relationships authentic and real and loving and accepting. So I'm excited about that and making that commitment for myself, and hopefully you can join me and do the same. And so I'm super glad to see you. Say hello and pop in your name below and let me know that you're in for December 9th, Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will post a link once I have it. Check back on these pages and I will see you soon. Happy Wednesday. And here comes December, the holiday times. And I bet if you connect with your intuition, that you can make some remarkable transformations over the holidays. So I look forward to seeing you. Thanks for listening. Bye.